skills challenge is something I really look forward to every year. It's the most exciting part of the end of term for me. One, I can show off my students to businesses and they never ever disappoint. And secondly, I get to judge these amazing pieces of work these students have been involved in over a very short period of time, and they are outstanding.
The Skills Challenge has been running for about 15 years now. It's something that we are passionate about, and we've managed to keep every year to get new businesses interested to keep it going because it's such a good experience for the students. The Skills Challenge is in place of work experience. We bring the businesses in to work with the students. The students are in groups that they don't choose, and they're not necessarily friendship groups. They have to build that team rapport, they have to communicate, they have to learn to work with a different set of people. The challenge is set by a local business who comes in with a real life situation, something they want some feedback, some input, some ideas on. And the students have 2 weeks in which to do their research, come up with their ideas and put together their presentation of their proposal.
I approach businesses throughout the year. I come across various people and I invite them in to help the school in various ways. We are overwhelmed with how much work and effort these business mentors have put in.
This year Den have been involved as one of our challenge providers. In addition, Den have also been able to provide us with some additional funding which has enabled us to make this film.
So we have worked with Cornwallis students previously on smaller scale projects. It was by chance we liaised with Liz Simmons, who told us about the Enterprise Challenge for students. We thought it was a good opportunity to get involved with.
Each year the challenges are completely different, just depending on the business really.
I'm in group 6, which was with Adlines, and basically what we had to do was we had to come up with a marketing campaign for their photo booth, which is a side company to their main business.
We were in team 3, which was run by Ahmed from Firestarter. Our challenge was to create as much money as possible, or double £150 which Ahmed gave to us, which we could then give to a charity of our choice.
The group I was in was 360 Employment, Group 1, and the challenge we were set was to design and market an app for their employment agency.
So all 8 groups have had a chance to present to a panel their final solutions, and they are marked on their teamwork, their solution and its viability for that business, as well as their communication, their research and their sort of financial side of their proposal. The thing that I like to see on the morning at 8 o'clock is those nerves and the excitement. Never have we had so many Year 12s in so early for school.
I was very impressed with the amount of work that the students have put in. Some of them have been in day after day after day.
And from that, the best 4 are now invited through to the grand final tomorrow evening, so we wait to see who gets the big prize. We make the evening as special as we can with a drinks and a canapé reception. We do the 4 presentations and then we have to take a few moments to decide. The prize will be £100 a head for each member of the winning group. So there's a real financial incentive as well as what they've learnt. The skills that we want them to develop are initially their teamwork and their communication within their group.
It's interaction with real life businesses, real people. It's not in a textbook anymore, they're solving real problems.
The leadership skills, it was definitely put to the test when you have a group of 9 people behind you asking you what they need to do next and making sure everyone's got a task and making sure we're on brief. Actually putting it into practice in a situation that's real life, and that actually having a real business challenge, it definitely put our skills to the test.
The 2 teams that really stood out for me this year were Adlines and Team 360, both because of their complete professionalism, their preparation, the work that they did with their team mentor. The students really rise to those challenges. You could track back the work that every single one of them had done within the group, really high quality presentation, high quality production, and it really was wafer thin between them. Ultimately came back to the production output that 360, the brochures that they produced, the video, it came together as a really cohesive package. And quite rightly the employer's delighted, absolutely delighted with the final product, which is brilliant, that's what we want.
And it's the comments of, I can't believe how fast the 2 weeks have gone, I've really enjoyed these 2 weeks, I didn't think I would, but actually this has been really good. And those are the things that every year we as a Skills for Life team hear and we think, yeah, we'll do that again because it's worthwhile.